Okay. Wow, look at all this food. The chicken looks so crispy, so colorful. It's like a little feast waiting to happen. She reaches for the can, slow and gentle. You can almost feel the cool metal under her gloves. She twists it open. There it is, that soft psh sound, so satisfying, like a tiny spark of happiness. She lifts the drink, just a calm, refreshing moment, a tiny pause before all the delicious chaos begins. And the chicken, oh my, the yellow one looks so crunchy, like it would break so softly between your teeth. She picks it up, and that first bite, you can almost hear the crisp layers cracking. So gentle, but so perfect. She chews slowly, peacefully, like the whole world disappeared for a moment. Another bite, a little deeper, a little crunchier. You can feel the texture, and it's so comforting. A sip from the drink, smooth, refreshing, like a soft reset for the taste buds. Then the spicy red chicken, bold, warm, inviting. It looks like it carries a tiny kick, but a comforting one, the kind that wraps you in warmth. Every bite, every movement is just pure, delicious relaxation.